Here is an external mouse, here is a MacBook, and here it is connected. These are the buttons, and most of the cases these buttons are useless for external mouse because they do not work. But in this video we are going to learn how we can make these buttons to work on a MacBook. For example, I press back button, it goes back, I press forward and it goes forward, back, 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 and then back again, then forward, forward, forward. Then it will open everything on your MacBook, and there is a very small tiny extension that will enable this mouse to work with all these buttons, because these are the side buttons, this is zooming, and you could have other buttons as well, like this. These are the buttons as well. So this one is a gaming mouse, L10 Pro, and this one I got from China. You could have any mouse, and every mouse will work on your MacBook no matter what kind of company you're using. So let's dive in and see how we can make this mouse work on your MacBook. Go to Google, and here you can type this one, sensible side buttons. Just remove this one. All right, enter, and you will find this website, sensible side buttons, and first one, whatever it is, and the link will be in the description. You can go there, download this one and install. You can also read the description written here. It works for everything. And then there is another one as well that is called Better Touch Tool. It is 131 MB, and link is here. Here you can buy a license or get the trial version for 45 days. The other one is completely free. That is here, and this is just for mouse, and the other one is not just for mouse, but it has so many other functions like a trackpad functions and zoom in, zoom out, and creating different desktops and windows like this one. You can read this description as well. So whatever suits you, you can go check around and take the one you like. For me, I'm just, in a search of these two things, so I can just rely on this one. After downloading, install. By the way, I have both of them downloaded here, but I'm using this one, sensible side button. It will appear like this one. Install this one application, and after installation you will see a little tiny icon there at the top. Just go enable and disable, and you can also set some command. This is just command E. Sometimes the command doesn't work, but it's all right. You can simply go to this place and enable it. But there is something I didn't find the solution. Whenever you restart your MacBook, then external mouse is of course connected, but it will not work, and then you need to refresh it, and then it will start working. And after installation, if you can't find it, just go to your application, and here it could be, or you can simply search it here, sensible side button, like this, and it will appear here. And if it's not here as well, go to Finder, and in application you will find sensible side button. Here it is, and for your convenience you can drag it anywhere you like. For example, if you use it every day, you can drag it to library or wherever you want to, but in my case it's just all right here in the application. So that's it. You can enable, and then now if I open any of my folders, for example downloads, Chrome, and some music, now I press the side button, it goes there. As you can see, I'm not gonna go there. Instead, I just press the buttons here on my mouse, side buttons, and it goes forward and backward like this one. Remember, this is not just for the Finder app. This works on the browser as well. For example, I just go to plus, and here is my mouse, and now I'm gonna go to my channel, and here you see I press the button and it goes back, and I press button, it goes forward, then press again, back, forward. So it will work everywhere, no matter you are using Finder app or Preview app or a browser or Safari, Chrome, whatever you're using. It's that simple. If you didn't like and subscribe to this video and channel, then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.